This is Fluid MotorUnion. We're looking for an experienced automotive technicians that have passion for cars and aspirations to be the best. Fluid MotorUnion is Chicagoland's #1 dealer alternative for auto, diagnostic, repair, and performance. As a technician here, you find yourself working on an unbelievable variety of vehicles, ranging from Lamborghini, Ferrari, Porsche, Aston Martin, BMW, Audi, Maserati, to Mercedes-Benz, but we work on anything. FMU is the exclusive repair shop located at Iron Gate Motor Condos, which makes working here a very unique experience. On top of this, we're also the #1 dealership alternative for many Naperville and surrounding area residents. Our team consists of technicians, service advisors, fabricators, and tuners who came here because this is their dream job. We strive to be an elite team of professionals who are knowledgeable, transparent, and trustworthy. We value honesty and treating our customers like they're our family, and only recommend necessary repairs, which builds trust and brings us referrals. We refuse to sell services and products that our customers don't need. This is a great opportunity to work with a talented group of highly skilled techs in a unique small business family-style culture. If this sounds like a good fit for you, then we want to speak to you today.